happy. It's pretty windy up there. Maiden flight of the falcon wing.
Blackbird.
Bit windy today though.
Okay, launch number 1. Ready? Take off number 2. 3, 1, 2. And the wings away. And it's struggling. And Michael's doing a great job. Wow.
Oh god, it survived. That was scary. It was good. The wind factor was bad. It wasn't getting any lift very easily.
Only got the one prop. Ready? Set, go. Up. So it's a bit back heavy. It's quiet.
Alright, there's Michael's Maiden. Okay, ready? Full throttle. It's so solid. It's going to take a couple of throws first. That was good.
In its front.
Keep it pointed. It kind of went up too much as well, and then it went like that. So it's got to kind of keep its nose down. Yeah, that's good. Yep. Feeling confident? Yep. Just do a circle, complete circle. Pull up. Yep. That was great. That was really good. Okay. That was really good. He's gonna get it on a windy day. That's gonna be a good effort. Okay, that's good. Everything's helping. Full power is good for the start. Nice. Graceful circle. Yep, great. Tip it forwards a bit more forwards. Yep, that's good. Nice, that was great. Yeah, that was great. Oh, nice save. Oh no, it goes upside down. That's okay. It's surviving. Doing really well. Yep. Nice, down a bit. Yep. Full throttle. Oh. Damage report.
Carnage, first go. That's okay though.
Knocked the battery off.
Phone's a little bit dented. That was the bird.
And the bird has been popped off
yeah,
too.
the carbon's a bit smashed, isn't it?
Oh, it's done well. Got a good 3 or 4 learning flights then. It's ironic because there's the tree that Pete got stuck in. So, the dangerous corner of the place. It's very windy. So that was a good Maiden. Always a bit treacherous, but it was also very windy. So he deserves a pat on the back. Let's have a quick rip on the drone. See if that works. I've had a few VTX problems. Hopefully we'll be able to fix that. Nice to be out in the scrub. Still shit. Ran out of battery, didn't you? The wind is not our friend. Oh, good.
I can fly.
Can you do like a bit of a range test?
Maybe.
Okay. Any way we can...
Oh, what did I hit? The tree.
Tree.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I should try the other older one.
Well, you should try my off again for another jolly flight.